Have you been looking for a way to generate all this type of fake background that people normally do, put on their videos, use this fine studio background on their videos? Look no further. I'll be showing you the top 5 websites that you can actually use to generate this particular fake background, even their prompts, and even how to do the editing and all that, the tool that they use to do the editing. So stay tuned as I show you the top 5 best app or website I can use to generate all these fake backgrounds. So, and I'll also show you, and I'll show you the best, like the one that I normally use to do the best of it all. So, but before that, if today is your first time of visiting my channel at bizyjoe.com, please do it to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime I post an awesome video like this. So let me move over to my screen and show you how to do that. So the first app that I will recommend you to use to do that particular generate this fake background is Meta AI. This is one of the best and it's free. You don't need to pay anything. Once you have your Facebook account, you will sign up to meta.ai. Once you input your prompts here, boom, it will generate the fake background for you. And one cool feature about this Meta AI of their recent update is that once you start typing the prompt for this fake background, you will start seeing a visual effect. Like you start seeing how the image will look like. Something like this, something like I need image, I'm not signing up, I don't know whether this will appear. I need image of a studio with good, say with something like it's a good lightning and beautiful background and beautiful background. I don't know this will show. Okay, I need to sign up. This is not the account I'm using for this. So once you type this, but I'll show you how to generate this a very cool prompt using ChatGPT. So once you type your prompt here, you see the visual effects here. So the next tool I can actually use to do this is Midjourney. This Midjourney, they have a free version and they have a paid version. This is another cool website that you can actually use to generate your fake background. You can actually use this. Then the third, but not the least, the third is the Ronaldo.ai. Ronaldo AI, you can use, I've used this particular tool. And this is even the first tool I used to generate all this, loads my images and all that. So it's a very cool website to use to generate your fake background. Then another one is Canva. Some people don't even know that I can actually use Canva to generate your fake background. They have an extension, a Canva extension that you can install on your Canva. With that, you can be able to generate image AI. You generate image using AI on Canva. Then the last but not the least is ChatGPT. Why I put ChatGPT here is because it will help you to generate your prompts. They also have ChatGPT extension that I can actually use to generate image, but I would like to use ChatGPT to generate those prompts. So what I would ask ChatGPT is that I need a good fake background prompts. Okay, let's say studio. Let's say I need a good studio or studio fake background. Let me put studio. Depending on the kind of fake background I want to create. So a good studio fake background prompt for my YouTube. Okay, for my YouTube video. Let me put something like that. I'll click on enter. So I'll see what ChatGPT is going to give me. Okay, so this is the prompt that ChatGPT gives me. So I will copy this prompt. I'll just copy this particular prompt. Then I'll go to any of this particular website. But the one that I use is Meta AI because it's a free tool. So I'll go to the one where I'm logging in, so that I can be able to put this particular prompt in order to generate a fake background. So I will go to this Meta AI to insert this particular prompt so that it will generate an image for me. So what I need to do is to insert this particular prompt here, and I'll click on enter. I'll wait for it to generate this image for me. So as you can see on my screen, these are the studio image that the prompts they are able to generate for me. If you are not satisfied with any of these particular images, you can also regenerate. You can regenerate this particular image. You can just click on this particular button here to regenerate the image, or you can go back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you another prompt of this. But if you have an idea like what and what that you need on that particular studio, like a flower, a lightning point, and anything that you want to be on the studio, you can input that on your prompt. You can even type your prompt from this particular place. You just type your prompt here. It will automatically give you what you are looking for. So that's how to generate your desired prompt. So once you are done with that, you can just click on these three dots here. Once you can be able to download that particular fake background. Then the tool I normally use to do my video editing is CapCut. So you go to CapCut and do your magic there. I already have a video on my YouTube channel on how to use CapCut, on how to remove background, add background using CapCut. So you do it to watch that particular video on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this video.